Hi guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. So in this tutorial, we're gonna learn how can we apply left click effect on Camtasia screen recorded video. So let's suppose you have recorded any video, any screen recorded tutorial video or illustration video where you have explained whether you have to click right or left. So you want your viewers to know that. So for that, you have to click on this cursor effects, and by default you'll be having this kind of interface where you have to click on this, the middle one, for left click. Now you have total 6 type of effect where you can show the effect. Okay, basically if you see this top two, this one and these two bottom two are the effects which you can see, and this is the sound. Okay, so let's say I'm just adding this one, select, drag and drop it. Now if I play, you can see here this is the color, and you can adjust it from here. You can select the color like this. Let's say I'm selecting this one, this is the color, the size of the ring. Okay, let's say I'm keeping it 34, rings, durations very small. Let's play. See, it's so big. Get it? Similarly, if you want to remove it, then you can remove it from here. Click on cross. Now you just want to add sound. Okay, so I'll select it, drag and drop. Now let's play again. Like this. Okay, so this way guys, you can apply a left click effect in any screen recorded video in Camtasia. Hope you like this video. Thank you. If you really like the content, then please like the video and click subscribe to see more videos like this. And you can visit mahagurus.com to see lots of other software courses. Thank you.